Hi everyone, and welcome to your journey into the exciting world of computers. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this course is designed to be your one-stop shop for all things computer basic. Over the next 117 video, we will be covering a wide range of topics from the essential hardware and software components to navigating the desktop using the internet effectively and even exploring some popular applications. We will start by demystifying the computer itself. You will learn about the different parts that make up a computer, how they work together, and the various types of computers available. Then we will dive into the world of software, the program that makes your computer come alive. You will master the basic of navigation the desktop, opening and closing programs, managing files and folders, and so much more. We also explored the vast world of the internet, teaching you how to search the web, send emails, connect with friends and family on social media, and stay safe online. By the end of this course, you will be confident in your ability to use a computer for everyday tasks, work, communication, and even entertainment. So, are you ready to get started? Let's begin your computer adventure. Subscribe for new videos every week. Like this video if you are excited to learn, and leave a comment below with any question you might have.